Have you ever opened YouTube just to watch one video, and suddenly it's 2 hours later? You don't even remember how you got here. But somehow, YouTube always knows exactly what to show you next. So, how does it do that? How does YouTube recommend videos that feel almost too perfect, keeping you watching longer than you ever planned? The secret lies in YouTube's powerful recommendation system, an advanced AI that constantly learns from your behavior. Every time you click on a video, pause, rewind, skip, or watch until the very end, YouTube takes note. It pays attention to what you like, what you ignore, and how much time you spend on each video. But it doesn't stop there. The system also looks at what millions of other users with similar interests are watching, using that data to predict what you might want to see next. Let's test this right now. Open a fresh YouTube tab in incognito mode, search for space exploration and watch just one video, then refresh your homepage. Suddenly, your recommendations are full of space-related content. That's the algorithm in action, adjusting in real time based on just a single choice. But the recommendation system isn't just about what you watch. It also considers what's trending across the platform. If a video is gaining massive engagement, YouTube will push it to more users, even if they've never searched for that topic before. This is why viral trends explode so quickly. Once a video starts picking up steam, the algorithm helps it snowball by showing it to more and more people. Thumbnails and titles also play a huge role. No matter how advanced YouTube's system is, it still depends on people clicking. If a video has an eye-catching title but viewers drop off after a few seconds, YouTube stops recommending it. But if people stay, comment, and engage, the algorithm recognizes it as quality content and promotes it further. One of the biggest factors in recommendations is watch time, the total amount of time people spend watching a video. If a video keeps viewers engaged for longer, YouTube assumes it's a good recommendation and pushes it to more users. That's why longer, well-paced videos often perform better than short clips. But here's where it gets tricky. YouTube's algorithm is designed to keep you watching, which means it can also trap you in a filter bubble. If you only watch one type of content, YouTube will keep feeding you similar videos, making it harder to discover new perspectives. Think about it. If you only watch one side of a debate, YouTube won't suggest opposing viewpoints. That's why some users actively try to break out of their bubble by searching for completely different topics. At its core, YouTube's recommendation system isn't just about suggesting what you want to watch. It's about keeping you on the platform as long as possible. Every suggested video is carefully chosen based on data, patterns, and engagement. The next time you find yourself watching video after video, remember, it's not just coincidence. The algorithm is always working behind the scenes, shaping what you see. Now that you know how YouTube recommends videos, do you think it's helping you, or just keeping you hooked? Let me know what you think.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.